So you're thinking of getting a parrot as a pet, but you don't know where to start. The truth is, there are so many different types of parrots out there, each with their own unique personalities and care requirements. In this video, we'll go over some of the most popular parrot breeds for beginner owners and what you need to consider before making your decision. First off, let's talk about size. Some parrots can grow to be quite large while others stay relatively small. If you're living in a small apartment or don't have a lot of space, you'll want to consider a smaller breed. Some popular small parrot breeds include the cockatiel, Quaker parakeet, and lovebird. But if you want to have a bit more space or are willing to make the commitment to a larger bird, you might consider a medium sized breed like the African gray parrot, Amazon parrot, or eclectus parrot. Another important consideration is the bird's personality. Some birds are known to be more social and interactive, while others are more independent. If you're looking for a companion that you can spend a lot of time interacting with, you might want to consider one with a more social personality, like the Indian ringneck parakeet or the Senegalese parrot. But if you're someone who can't commit to spending a lot of time with your parrot, you might consider a more independent bird like the African gray or the macaw. Finally, it's important to consider the cost and requirement required to take care of a parrot. Some parrots require a lot of time and money to maintain, while others are relatively low maintenance. Before making your decision, be sure to research the specific care requirements of the breeds you're interested in. At the end of the day, the most important thing is to choose the parrot that's right for you and your lifestyle. Be sure to do your research and make an informed decision. And remember, parrots are wild animals and they live for long, so please make sure that you're ready to take on this responsibility and commitment. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find the perfect parrot companion for you.